Okay, one, one, two, three. Yay. Congratulations.
Lord be with you. We do our work well, whatever it may be, and offer it to God. Let us bless the Lord and then pray that He would shower His blessings on all who come to this office. From the book of Genesis.
Blessed are you, O Lord, you that your Son made flesh for us, to practice the carpenter's trade.
Lord, graciously guide the work of our hands.
Blessed are you, O Lord, who in Christ made the yoke of toil sweet and its burden light.
Lord, graciously guide the work of our hands.
Blessed are you, O Lord, who in your
of SSS President and CEO Rolando
Ledesma
Marsae.
We also have our local guests. Okay, we have our stakeholders from partners from GSI.
Un Sambuangueño, Mr. Rolando Ledesma Marsae.
Alam mo, ayaw ko mag-speech dito kasi itong opisina ito po ay hindi opisina para sa amin po, mga kawani ng gobyerno. We are working for government. Ang pinaka-importante sa akin po yung mga miyembro na andito. Gusto ko kasama ko sila. Sino mga kliyente ng SSS dito? Oh, ¿sabe Chapacano ustedes? Hindi? Bisaya ka? Okay lang. Sila big, as beautiful as this one. You know, these small things matter because it gives you dignity. You can't, this is the 21st century. You can't have dirty toilets. You can't have stupid pocket offices. Kaya walang monoblock dito. May nakita ko sa monoblock doon, pinatanggal ko. Hindi pwede mga bumurahin habang presidente ako. At saka iba ako, medyo sira ulo ako mag-isip. Pero ito po, ginagawa ko para sa pamilya. Siyempre, pangalawa, ginagawa ko po para sa mga empleyado. Kasi dito, wow, you came from a literal dump. You know what a dump is? Literally a bodega. And now we have so beautiful an office. Ito, i-budget nyo ito, gusto ko blinds. Social na blinds. Pag mumuray blinds, solid nyo. Tama? Pag gobyerno, dapat maganda ang serbisyo. Ha? Hindi pwede sa akin yung serbisyo tayo. But having a beautiful working environment gives you some inspiration. I'm leaving for Cebu, Iloilo. I'll be inaugurating several branches as big as this for free. Tinakot ko lang yung mga may-ari ng mga mall. Alam mo, Executive Vice President ko si Ernie. Siya partner ko. Sasabi ko, Ernie, magkano investment natin? Sabi ko, mga 10-20 billion. Abutin mo nga yan, libre mo. Libre lahat. Pati aircon dito, libre sila bumili na. So wala po kami ginastos dito kundi ito mga mesa. Okay na yan. Libre na ngayong rent, titipirin mo ba ito? So maraming salamat po at sa kasama ko, matutuwa kayo dito. Madali ang jeep dito, public transport. Matutuwa kayo. And I'm so happy for Sambuanga City. So yung property namin dyan, dito si Executive Vice President Rosario, may 4,000 square meters po tayo dyan sa maghahanap na lang kami ng joint venture para siguro negosyante kung sino interesado, kayo na bahala. Because I will be resigning soon and I've already announced it. Aalis na po ako, magpapaalam na ako sa mga Sambuangueño. Ako po ay naging presidente ng GSS 4 na taon. Naging presidente ako ng SSS 2 taon. I'll be resigning soon. Kasi po, tumatanda na. Hindi na tulad dati, malakas eh. Pero magkikita pa tayo, maniwala kayo. Magkikita pa tayo. Ingat kayo and enjoy our new offices. Thank you.
Sir Alo, you joined the lighting of the ceremony cake and other activities.
Okay.
Sa compensation namin, sa board level ng siyang in charge. Sa kaliwang kanya ho ay si Mr. Ernie Francisco, Executive Vice President, in charge ho ng buong investments ng SSS, pati real estate siya rin. Si Ma'am LB, Executive Vice President, Resare, in charge siya sa corporate services, so lahat ng accounting and all that stuff siya. At saka of course si Irene Laksamana, in charge siya sa branches dito sa Western Mindanao, acting Vice President si Mama Emily. Ako si Rolly, gusto sana sa Bacana, kaya lang tayo sa Bacana, kaya mo sila matira. So yung si Rolly, sa Zamboanga, because I was like, pupunta ko. Sila ba na mamataray ka dito? Ako na mamataray ka dito. Wala ba?
So, pwede na si PCO na PCO dito for this particular press meeting, press con. So, we would like to thank you for joining us. CJ na siya kapibuta, kindly state your name and your media outfit. Okay, and mag-follow up question po natin. Who will go first?
There's a mic.
Sir,
Caballeros. Pang-eco.
Esther po ba? Esther, go, sound check.
Hello. Sir, cuánto SSS offices ya tuya se dentro Pilipinas que libre la kita renta, no hay pago?
Almost 8 or 10 years. Because the policy just became effective.
Sino po dito, sir?
As the policy ay effective only about February or March this year. So, you know, we have to negotiate all these places and we are paying rent in the old places. So we have to finish all those contracts that we have. But in the meantime, the plans for all of these new offices are being prepared as well.
How were you able to convince them, sir? Yamin nasa to kanila o kusa?
Punto yan po. Kami na sa akin. Pilit pabor, yari. Saan po ko bansa? Siyempre kami dito pabor. Because, you know, I'm a businessman. You know, I have my own business. I still have one. But, you know, as an executive, you understand that in life, it's always give and take. Anything that is beneficial to both parties is a very good thing. So ako naman, I'm very much aware that kami we bring in traffic, foot traffic. And that is common sense. If we have 45 million members, you know, if you have 45 million members in Zamboanga, we probably have how many members here, Irene, in Zamboanga? More or less. How many members do we have? More or less. 20,000. No, hindi na Irene. Pensioners of 20. How many SSS members do we have? About 50,000. So you can imagine, more or less, once a month or once a quarter they come to us. And the pensioners, you know, when you're old, the pensioners love to visit SSS. Kahit computerized na kami. They love to visit SSS. So when they come here, they eat in the stores here, they do a little shopping. So it is a mutually, I have to admit, you know, people are telling me that, sir, kaya pumayag yan kasi may food traffic kayo binibigay. Alam nyo, common sense naman. Hindi naman pwede kami na lang kakabig, kami na lang makikinabang. Alam nyo yung kasama, dapat pareho ka tayo makikinabang. It's not a zero-sum game. It can be a win-win situation. Tama? Hindi ibig sabihin kami makinabang, talo kayo. Hindi naman gano'n. Mali naman. Kaya, lagi pag kinausap ko sila, madali.
Anybody else? Ma'am Tess? PIA? Mamay na kayo.
Yes po. Sir, you mentioned po that marami na tayong opisina no, na buksan for free lang yung renta. So what are we going to do with the savings na masasave natin from the rental? Mapupunta ba siya sa beneficiaries natin? Or ano po yung plans ng SSS for that amount of money since big savings na siya for the rental fees? Yun na po. Thank you.
Alam nyo, every year SSS makes konting yabang to, konting yabang to. 2 years ago, our income was about 50 billion. After I took over, it went up to 83 billion. Correct me if I'm wrong, thereabouts. And hopefully this year will hit about 120, 140 billion pesos. You know, you have to keep SSS very stable. Hindi ito ibig sabihin namin kumikita ka, nakakatipid ka, na basta ibibigay mo ito. Alam mo na, ang problema kasi natin, parati ang perception, pag nakita, kailangan ibigay. Hindi ganon. Pagka nakita ka iya, sinasave mo yun para sa kinabukasan, which ang kinabukasan natin ay kayo. Tama? At saka, hindi kami pwede iya. When you contribute 1,000 pesos, you know, I'm a manager. When you contribute 1,000 pesos, don't expect to have a pension of 10,000. Tama? Kasi may actuarial study kami, may mathematical studies, may mga assumptions kami, assumption of inflation, assumption of inflation. I don't want to go into the details. Na, hindi namin alam yung mga mangyayari bukas. So, may ini-estimate kami. So, lahat na makita namin, nire-reinvest namin to iya for tough times. Diba? Alam mo, ang dami rin nagtatanong sa akin, Rolly, you'll be making over 100 billion. Does that mean you'll give this, you'll give that? Sabi ko, wait, we don't know what happened because SSS is forever. Correct? Osted is you're very young. You're very young. Yeah, I understand. You look like 21. 30. Oh, 30. So, kayo, Iha, you have another, before you retire, it's 30 more years. We don't know what will happen 30 years hence, di ba? Kami, tapos na kami, di ba? Pero kayo, you're still young. Kami, Iha, we continue to invest in this money in safe investments so that in tough times, we have enough to cover your pension. Huh? Siguro we should change that. We should have a paradigm shift the way we think about SSS. Tama ba ako? Huh? Hindi pwede tayo pag sobrang income bibigay. Uy, kayo. Kaya ano ko yan? Bibigay ko yan sa mga bata pagtanda nila. Ha? Kasi yan, it's not sunshine all the time. Tama? May siyempre may mga rough times din. So, pag during rough times, kami mga medyo na may edad na ng konti, naintindihan namin, ang buhay ay So siguro, dapat intindihin natin. Pasensya na kayo, I'm being very honest with you. Ako po ay hindi kolero. Ako po ay I try to be as candid and as transparent as I can be. Go ahead, next.
Okay, next.
Sir,
Yes, Mark.
Yes,
Sir, I'm Jimon Moica from Sumbanga Times.
Jim.
Sir, we would like to know, Ketalia LDR to mga barangay, 98 barangays na Zamboanga, in as far as the remittance of the SSS. Kaya includes man to kaya sila members, especially mga workers.
Our barangays are they paying?
Yes, actually, most of the barangays kasi employees. Members na sila ng SSS. So we encourage them to continue paying. And last February, we had this AKEL stakeholders forum for them. And fortunately naman, they are remitting their contributions regularly.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sino yung nagtanong tungkol sa extra income namin? Si Miss
Myra.
Myra. Alam mo, buti talaga may mga katabi akong nagpupulong sa akin, si Commissioner Declaro. Mayroon, bigay ko na example, mayroon. Nung calamity sa Manila, yung Typhoon N10, mayroon nag-release kami 8 billion na hindi loans, calamity loans, mayroon. We released 8 billion. And also be careful about this. SSS is not PSWD. SSS is a financial institution. We are getting premiums from you guys. We try to invest them judiciously. In charge po si EVP Ernie doon. And sila po siya na monitor sa akin, si Ma'am LB.
SSS, GSIS are in these posters. So does this mean that this is going to be your last press con with the media as SSS official? Because you're joining politics?
No, you know, that's... alam nyo po, ang politika is a different, it's a completely different career. It is, you know, they say in life there are 2 risks that you take. The first risk is, I don't know, some of you, most of you call it, and I don't think you even understand that it's one of the greatest risks of life. Do you know what it is? Getting married. That is the first risk of life. Do you know what the second risk of life is? Joining politics. So I'm married, I have 3 kids. I took the first risk. I've been married for 35 years. I'm quite successful there. I do not know if I'm willing to take the second risk. But rest assured, should I decide to join politics, you'll find out about it. And it will be the next week or so, right? Number 2, I will have to talk to you because if you will not support me, baka hindi ako matalo. Pag sinabi niyo susuportahan ako, baka pumayag ako, tumakbo ako. Hindi naman ako tatakbo. Congressman, kalaban yung mga big time dito. Ang kalaban ko naman, ibang parties lang. Ako lang naman yata ang party list sa Bongga, di ba? Lahat naman dyan, hindi bigas ang buwangan. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Ha?
Tama.
Ako lang, never. Di ba?
So far, as of the current, sir. No,
At saka, hindi kahit may iba tigas sa buwangan, ako naman siguro ang pinakapagaling.
I mean,
Sorry. Tama? Hindi ka nag-agree?
tama.
Diba? Kung mag-desisyon ako.
Never.
At saka ako lang tigas sa buwangan. Tama? Lahat kayo nagre-reklamo na kailangan ng connection sa Manila. Baka ba siya